So this is the future. The most affordable flip phone. And just like any flip phone, never-fold po siya ng ganyan. Ulitin ko, boom. Kung si Samsung at si Oppo ay medyo mahal, 70, 80,000 pesos. Guys, this one is not even half the price of those. Murang-mura lang po siya. Later, sabihin ko sa inyo yung price. With this phone, you can do a lot of things. Kapag sa camera, it can be its own tripod. Just like that. Pwede ka mag-picture ng ganyan, ilatag mo sa table, and you're good to go. You can never do that with just a phone. But now you can. Lugi na ba ang mga tripod makers yan? Maybe.
Okay.
And of course, super important to. Kapag nanonood ka ng belt, no, sa bus, merong nakasilip sa tabi mo, pwede mo siyang itago. Bawal. Kailan guys, nakatupi din yung belt. Kung okay lang sa inyo. Anong belt? Anong belt? Yung yung sinturon, belt. Kaya nga, di ba, kahit i-bend mo okay lang. Now, this technology is not new. It's been around for a couple of years, maybe even 3 years. Pero kasi, it's never been affordable. Now, that's because the ability to bend, just like that, takes a lot of production money. Kasi yung display, guys, ay nabebend mo na rin. And with a bendable display, everything looks cooler. Kakaiba, yan po. When I'm scrolling, kakaiba po siya. It looks like it's sliding right in front of my eyes. Also, this new ring at the front in clamshell mode is actually a display, guys. So, ito may display po siya at may camera din. And with this, you can do a lot of things here. Even take pictures using the rear camera. And videos, ito na po. Ito yung sample ng video, guys. Diba? That is how it looks like. Pwede ka mag-video picture using the rear camera kasi nga may display na po dito sa kanyang clamshell display. That and so much more sa ating unboxing ngayon. Tecno Phantom V Flip 5G is here. Unbox na natin. But sabihin sa inyo watching Unbox Diaries. Ay, baka masira. So, let us unbox this again.
A few moments later.
Now on paper, sulit din yung kanyang specs. Pero hindi ako magpo-focus sa specs niya kasi nga yung kanyang mechanism yung gusto ko para sa inyo. Let me just show you how this looks like. Unbox na natin siya. Look at that. Sorry po, Tecno. Okay, next. Yun! Diba? Hindi nahulog.
Tanga!
Phantom! Maraming box. Andito po yung kanyang. So ito po yung tsura niya. Yan. Got a lot of boxes right here. Kasi nga doon sa event sa Singapore, wala pong mga boxes. This is the actual unboxing. May kasama pa siyang hard casing. Boom! Yes, may casing. Doon ako nabahan kasi nga, this one is leather back. Yan po. Mamaya na yan. Gusto ko may extra protection.
Hindi, wow.
And right here, we've got stickers. May kasama stickers, Phantom V Flip. More stickers. Panglagay sa refrigerator nyo. And also, meron siyang kasamang warranty card. By the way, official po ito sa ating bansa. They actually released this phone. And it's not even half the price of the Samsung Flips. Guys, murang-mura lang po ito. Later, sabi ko sa inyo yung price. And here we've got the SIM ejector pin. And inside, we're getting malaking box pero may zigzag lang dito na cardboard. And ano ito yung USB Type-C cable. And last but not least is this big box housing this massive battery. UK. UK to. Just not sure kung ano talaga yung makukuha nyo sa retail kasi baka yung makukuha nyo is yung pang-atin talaga. Ito kasi bilog-bilog yung nakuha ko. But that's pretty much it. Ito na po ang future. This is it. This could be the next generation of phones coming out. The one you could be using in 2-3 years time. Oh my god, yan na po. Just like what we saw sa Singapore, yung launch niya. Tecno Phantom V Flip. V for Vince. Gusto ko ma-check yung kanyang casing. Yung casing niya, may kasamang ring. Ayan po, hawakan. Parang pang chicks yung itong ganitong color pang chicks. Ang dali niya lang ma-slip on. And that's pretty much it. It's now protected. Wow. Gunggong! Ginagawa yan, mahal. Mura lang pala. Look at this. Middle finger of that. Yan. So, ganyan yung tamang hawak niya. Whoop! Diba? Now, tama na yung kalokohan. Kasi nga, the thing that you want to see here is how it looks like, how it moves, how it functions. This phone right here is a flip phone. Just like any flip phone, it flips just like that. Now, I'm not sure kung ilan yung kanyang diameter dito sa likod. Pero yes, this is a display and also a camera module at the back. And with this, marami kayong pwedeng gawin dito. Let's say for example, you can take photos, you can check out the weather, and you can even see your pet cat right here na pwede mong palit-palitan yung kanyang avatar, no? Mayroon siyang mga pet avatars, pwedeng pusa, may parrot, pangdagdag sa inyong personality. Ayun, kung mahilig sa cat, pwede mo siya lagay dyan, or kung aso, you can show that you're a dog person just by configuring the display right here, dito sa kanyang clamshell display. But of course, syempre, yung mostly na pinapakita dito is yung kanyang time and yung battery percentage dito, which is very helpful for me kasi nga, when I'm out, I wanna also look at the time and also yung aking battery, di ba? Now, in terms of yung kanyang build quality, syempre, mas lamang pa rin sila Samsung and sila Oppo. That's actually what you're paying for the extra money, plus the software and things like that. But yeah, this still looks like an elegant, brilliant looking phone that has a very nice leather back design na may V dito sa baba. And kapag tinupi mo siya ng ganyan, lalabas po yung Phantom na word dito sa kanyang likod. Ayan, no? The phone is also very thin, light, compact, and when you fold it, it actually becomes more compact. Oh, madali mo lang siyang mapupull out, di ba? Kasi kadalasan guys, yung mga phone natin ngayon, iPhone, ganyan, Samsung, ang lalaki, bulky. Hindi na po compact, di ba? Ito naman, compact to compact. Kasyang-kasya sa mga, especially sa mga maliliit na purse, no? Mga skinny jeans. Yun. Ayaw kasi natin yung parang sobrang bulky, lumalabas talaga yung phone sa inyong jeans. It's so compact, kahit saan magkasya na siya. And you also look cool when you pull it out. And flipping out the phone makes you cooler. Kasi before, di ba, ito yung uso. May mga flip phones na po before. This is not the first one. Pero kasi dati guys, hindi sila gano'n ka-smart. Has this kind of display. And yung foldable dati, is yung display niya nasa taas lang. Wala po sa baba. Kasi nasa baba is keypad dati. This one is a full display. Foldable. Now, this kind of style actually opens up more opportunities to show information sa screen. Napansin namin sa Messenger na kapag nag-video call kami ni Aryan, yung aking video editor, sa taas yung kanyang video and sa ilalim, meron siyang information about kung sino yung tinatawagan ko, yung pangalan niya, and also pwede ka mag-tweak dito na iba. Kaya lang, mas maganda sana kung sa ilalim, pwede ko makita yung chat box namin, di ba? At the same time. Kasi nga, minsan meron kang gusto ipakita na screenshot, mas maganda yun na pwede mo siya ipakita sa baba. Which is, hindi naman kasalanan ni Tecno yan. Si Facebook yan, hindi pa niya in-optimize yung kanyang application for foldable phones. But the possibilities are endless. Marami kang pwedeng gawin sa ganitong klaseng display. Kasi nga, now you can have two screens. It's actually two screens, di ba? In one. Just like the Phantom V Fold. Now this phone is also quite powerful. It has a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8050 5G processor. The display is quite long, 6.9 inch, almost 7 inch AMOLED display. Foldable display po yan. And yung subscreen niya is 1.32 inches po mga kaibigan. AMOLED din po yung kanyang subscreen dun sa kanyang clamshell display. So 1080p na po yung kanyang main screen and yung subscreen niya is about 466 by 466. Camera niya sa likod, 64MP main camera, 13MP ultra-wide angle lens, and yung kanyang front camera is 32MP. 4,000 mAh of battery na po yan at 45 watts fast charging, and it even has Wi-Fi 6 for the second best Wi-Fi technology. So, mayroon na nga palang Wi-Fi 6E and 7 upcoming. And of course, 8 gigs of RAM na to, 256 gigs of internal storage. And by the way, since flagship na device po siya, wala po siyang micro SD card slot for expandability. Kailan Beans, yung kanyang display ba ay meron pang crease? Ano yung crease? Yung crease ay yung parang guhit dyan kapag ka pina-fold mo yung display. It still does have that kapag ka nakapatay yung screen, no? Kitang-kita po siya, ayan. Pero kasi as per Tecno, mas okay pa doon yung kanyang crease compared kina Samsung, no? Mas halata po yung kay Samsung. Ito po, less visible. Mas less visible po siya kapag ka naka-open yung screen. Hindi mo na makikita yung kanyang crease doon sa gitna. But you can actually still feel it, and po, mafe-feel mo na hindi siya flat na flat. Kapag in-slide mo siya, yes, may konting lubak kang madadaanan. Ganun, parang sasakyan, no? Kapag dumadaan ka sa isang daanan na may lubak, parang ganun. Pero hindi naman super lalim, guys. Meron lang siyang feeling dito sa gitna. Ayun. I'm just saying that, mga pros and cons niya. Pero kasi bago pa tong technology na to, it still has room for improvement, for it to be mature in the future. And I don't think wala pang ibang technology, even other brands, di pa nila ito na-perfect. Magkakaroon talaga ng crease yung mga foldable phones. The display is also very smooth, 120Hz refresh rate. And kapag nag-scroll ako, it looks very smooth. Very, very smooth. When you actually bend it a little bit, meron siyang ibang effect na ginagawa, you know? Parang siyang belt. Nagka-curve yung mga apps right in front of my eyes. And watching movies looks like this. Kaya lang guys, ito ay, dahil sa super haba niya, this is gonna be how it looks like. Kaya yan. Kapag naka-portrait mode siya guys, ganyan lang po nakaliit yung video and ang haba po, ang dami pong pwede makita sa baba. And look at this, kapag vinertical mo na, ayan po, meron pa siyang mga black bars sa sides and you can Still, zoom in a little bit. Bezels are just okay, no? It won't blow your mind. Also, yung kanyang punch hole ay medyo malaki din. Something that can be improved in the future iteration. Performance-wise, ito po yung kanyang itsura. 738,000 points and 2-2 benchmark. Impressive. So ito na. I-check natin siya sa Mobile Legends, no? Gusto ko makita ko ang itsura niya. Baka kasi stretched out lang siya. This is the real deal. Tignan nyo guys sa home screen pa lang, original resolution po yung ginagamit niya. Hindi po siya stretched out kasi sa mga ibang phones or tablets, stretched out po sila. Mukhang malaki po yung mga characters and things like that. This one is in the original resolution. And look at this! Nasa bush po ako, kitang-kita ko po yung gitna. This is so madaya. Because the more real estate you see, the more vision you have. Vision is actually so important sa Mobile Legends kasi alam mo kung kailan papasok yung kalaban, saan pinatago, kailan papasok yung mga creeps and things like that. Sa ibang phones, hindi mo ito magagawa. You will have to scroll here and there. Ito by default, hindi mo na kailangan mag-scroll. So, sabihin, mas focus ka dun sa center of gameplay mo, kung ano yung nasa harapan mo. And by the way, naka-ultra graphics na siya, super refresh rate. This is an impressive feat for gaming. Kakaiba po to. This is not the usual kind of things. So kung gusto mo maka-experience ng ganitong klaseng gameplay or experience or game experience with a flip phone, this is your entry point na kasi nga mura na po siya. Kaya nyo na po siyang bilhin. I-13 pa nyo yan. So Call of Duty, very high graphics, max frame rates available, and it plays very smooth. The graphics is so beautiful, and again, original resolution po yung ginagamit niya. Hindi po siya stretched out. And with that, you get so much more screen real estate. Another advantage kasi nga mas marami ka pwede makita. More room to move with your fingers. Yun. Multiple finger player ka dyan, mas swak sa'yo. Sa Genshin Impact naman, ayun. So, naglaro kami ng highest graphics dito or high graphics, 60 FPS. Kaya naman niya, kayang-kaya niya. Pero yun kasi, it does get warm a little bit and medyo natakot kami kasi nga medyo nag-stop siya ng konti. So we brought it down to medium graphics and we were able to play it comfortably na. So medium graphics, 60 frames per second on Genshin Impact. So when it comes to camera, the camera on this thing is actually impressive din. Ito yung mga pictures na pwede mo makuha sa kanya. You got that nice skin effect right there kapag mga tao yung nakuha mo. Very detailed naman. Katamtaman yung contrast and saturation and things like that. But don't expect it to be accurate. It's not aiming to be a super DSLR-like camera. Yung kanyang image quality ay pang social media talaga, no? Very enhanced. Mataas yung color, saturation, and contrast a little bit. And that selfie camera, 32MP. Ang ganda po. Ang ganda po yung selfie camera. And the great thing about the selfie camera, it also has this shining AI selfie lighting right there. Oh, di ba? May pailo din siya. So, when you're gonna take a picture, ay, ang pog. Ang ganda, ang ganda. I think this is even better than the Canon 20 Pro 5G. Ang ganda talaga. Okay rin siya sa low light and yung kanyang ilaw sa likod, ang lakas. Boom. Even stronger than the selfie camera. At kung ayaw mo gamitin yung kanyang selfie camera right here, you can even use the rear camera and have the display at the same time. Kasi usually guys, kapag gusto nyo makita yung inyong mukha, you have to use the selfie camera. But this time around, because meron na siyang display sa kanyang rear camera banda, you're gonna be able to use the rear camera at the same time, see yourself just like this. So I was able to like turn on the flash sa likod kahit nakaganito. Kasi nga dun sa camera app, finlash ko talaga siya. Parang naka-manual on po siya. And now, when I go to the clamshell screen, meron na pa akong light dun sa kanyang rear camera. Ayan, di ba? Kitang-kita. Pwede ka rin mag-video dito. Ay, yun lang, hindi ko maganda yung flash. Okay, so ito yung aking video. This is a rear camera. And as you can see, it's actually a much better image quality kasi nga sa rear camera na ginagamit. And I can even see my face right here sa display niya. Pretty cool, di ba, babe? What? Ay, di ba, bro? Babe. Naging babe ko. Then guys, better image quality. This is the future. This is the future. I love this. Now, apart from the camera, pwede mo rin makita dito yung calendar. You can actually play your music right here, yung mga MP3 mo. Play, pause, next, back. And you can even get notifications right here kapag may tumatawag sa'yo. Meron mag-pop dito na notification. And you can even see your steps right here. Kung mahilig ka mag-track ng inyong mga steps and things like that, mahilig ka sa fitness, it also has that. And it even has an alarm kung gusto mo lang mag-alarm para magising ka. And you can actually add more widgets right here. It is a full stack foldable phone experience. Now the SRP of this phone is 29,999 pesos, 8256. Pero Tecno has graciously given us the opportunity to get it for only 23,999 pesos. Limited stocks only. Paunahan po yan. Pero available lang siya November 9 to 11 sa Shopee. Kapag bumili ka, meron kang libreng Tecno smartwatch. Plus free shipping ba to? Plus, you can actually buy this using SPay later sa halagang 1,999 pesos and 0% interest in 12 months. Wow! Check it out right now. Tecno Phantom V Flip 5G. Now, this phone is not perfect. It still has some kinks to be fixed. But what am I complaining for? Sobrang mura na po yan sa foldable. It's actually gonna be your first foldable phone or flippable phone. Kaya mo na siyang bilhin. Well, kasi more than 20K is still out of reach for our. But this is the right direction, Tecno. Thank you so much for providing us this kind of technology. And we want to see this in the coming years sa mga entry-level, mid-range. Siguro mid-range muna, huwag muna sa entry-level kasi nga medyo mahal pa yung technology. I'm just so happy na available na po siya sa itong presyo. Thank you so much, Tecno. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, foldable phones, mag-subscribe ka lang, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my great content and you're watching Unbox Diaries. Woohoo!